Pretty. So this thing gone too far now for return back, you know. She are going to problem. You are going to problem. So I better we just finish this.
Hello?
Pretty, where are they?
I just pull up on my gate. What's up?
Your son, sir.
Wait. No, I can't comprehend what happened. Lost for words.
Pretty. Come on, man. Not none of that for your jump. Unless you try to tell me, say, Tiffany remind you when you just start out.
Trust me, I wasn't that sloppy.
What you talking about? When you just start out in a business, you make a few slip-ups, see them right.
Juggler, please, can we just come off of this? Right now, we just need to find a way out. Even what we are talking about now, I don't even know. What if we get caught?
I doubt me.
Wait. I have a lawyer friend. I mean, I could have reached out to him and see if he could help you out.
Pretty. If you not teach you nothing, sure some tell us yo, not trust nobody. Especially in a delicate situation like this. Lawyer and politician is a straight no for me. You see it?
Listen, man, I trust him. He's not just a lawyer to me, no. He's one of my good friends.
All what you say, me I tell us yo, me not trust none of them type of people there. You dig?
Juggler, just trust me now. My gut feeling this, you know.
I'm what the fuck? You eat from morning?
I can't think about food right now under these circumstances.
Well, this is the first I can say. I must guess you have. Because the gut feeling they ain't right. So feel something else.
Alright then, fine, Juggler. Since you have shut down all of my idea them, what you suggest?
Well, this is the plan.
Juggler, you're mad. I better we go with option B. Because Marcus is a politician, and at the end of the day, the way him powerful and influence what him have on people, he more helpful for keep people off of my back.
What if it backfire and people try to find out the truth about what happened? I mean, we know him have people in him corner who will try to cover up females, but on the other hand, you still go have people who don't want to know the truth, isn't it? Just to have some leverage on him.
What is this? What is happening?
Pretty, listen. Unless you're willing to look for Tiffany behind bars, you have to just make me handle this. Is it?
I just don't want anybody to get hurt. I tell him, we just feel like something I go wrong.
We reach too far if you turn back now, you know. So you see the little emotion thing you have for the youth there. Don't make it blindsided from the mission at hand. Is it?
Jug. Let me link you back later and we'll further discuss this. Alright? Just give me some time.